Hi students, in continuation to my lecture on hypersensitivity, I will now tell you about type 3 hypersensitivity. Type 3 hypersensitivity is antigen antibody immune complexes IgG mediated. In this type of hypersensitivity, large amount of antigen and antibodies form complexes in blood. If not eliminated, can deposit in capillaries or joints and trigger inflammation. Type 3 hypersensitivity, the reaction may be general, serum sickness, or may involve individual organs, including skin, kidneys, lungs, joints, or other organs. This may be the pathogenic mechanism of diseases caused by many microorganisms. The reaction may take 3-10 hours after exposure to the antigen. It is mediated by soluble immune complexes. They are mostly of the IgG class, although IgM also may be involved. The antigen may be exogenous, chronic bacterial, viral or parasitic infection, or endogenous, non-organ specific autoimmunity, for example, systemic lupus erythematosus. The antigen is soluble and not attached to the organ involved. PMNs and macrophages bind to immune complexes via FcR and phagocytose the complex. But if unable to phagocyte the immune complexes, can cause immune inflammation via C activation, C3A, C4A, C5A and frustrated phagocytes. Polymorphonuclear neutrophils, as you know, and macrophages bind to immune complexes via their fragment and phagocyte the complex. But if they are unable to phagocyte, they cause inflammation by C activation. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosis involve examination of tissue biopsies for deposits of immunoglobulins and complement by immunofluorescence microscopy. The presence of immune complex in serum and depletion in the level of complements are also diagnostic. Treatment includes anti-inflammatory drugs. Type 4 delayed type of hypersensitivity. Reaction involves sensitized T cells and release of its lymphokines as mediators and amplifiers. Mediated by cells rather than antibodies. Clinical states: contact dermatitis, transplant rejection, granuloma. Type 4 diabetes. Th1 cells releases cytokines to activate macrophages, causing inflammation and tissue damage. Continued macrophage activation can cause chronic inflammation resulting in tissue lesions, scarring and granuloma formation. Response starts after 48 to 72 hours. Delayed hypersensitivity reactions: contact dermatitis, tuberculin, granuloma. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosis tests in vivo include delayed cutaneous reactions and patch test. In vitro tests for delayed hypersensitivity include mitogenic response, lymphocytotoxicity and interleukin 2 production. Corticosteroids and other immunosuppressive agents are used in treatment. Comparison of different immune system antibody types for hypersensitivity. Antibody IgE type 1 anaphylactic, type 2 cytotoxic में IgG IgM, type 3 में IgG IgM, delayed type में none. Antigen in type 1 exogenous, in type 2 cell surface, in type 3 soluble, in type 4 tissues and organs. Response time is also different in all type of hypersensitivity reaction. Histology: basophils and eosinophils in type 1, antibody and complement in type 2, type 3 complement and neutrophils, and type 4 monocytes and lymphocytes. And examples are allergic asthma, In type 1, type 2 erythroblastosis fetalis, type 3 SLE farmer's lung disease, and type 4 tuberculin test, poison ivy, etc. This diagram shows different type of hypersensitivity reactions: type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Thank you.